international IELTS trainer. Today I would like to introduce you our organization High Profile HGC. High Profile HGC was started in 2000 and now it has been almost 19 years. We have been offering IELTS training, PT academic training and English training. So here we have a team of senior experienced faculties who help students to score well in IELTS. So we offer training for both IELTS academic and general module. We also offer training for PT academic test and we have excellent track record for both the tests, IELTS as well as PT. Many of our students have scored 90 out of 90 in all sections of PT test and some of our students have scored even 9 band score in different modules of IELTS. So the strategies which we use, they are latest, updated and according to the pattern of the test. So, and we keep updating students with the latest material and latest strategies. So this is what basically helps students to score well. So if you are seriously considering getting good score in IELTS academic or general training module or in PT academic exam, please consider joining High Profile HGC. We are there to help you. Our address is Sapna Sangita Road, 504, that is 4th floor, Vikram Tower, and it's opposite Axis Bank in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Thank you.